Hello and welcome to Exotic Foods for Exotic People. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious dish of pasta and steamed cabbage. This dish only takes about 90 minutes to cook and 20 to 30 minutes to clean up, so it doesn't take too long if you're quick and able to do everything properly. The ingredients you'll need for this is as follows. You'll need 1 cabbage, a few carrots, an onion, and of course you'll need pasta. Get your cabbage, carrots, and onion out. You will want to wash everything out and make sure both the carrots and the cabbage are clean. Wash out the onion and chop it up. You don't need a lot of the onion for this, you only need about 1/2 or 1/4. So just chop this up into whichever size you desire. You can chop it up into squares or you can just chop it into slices as I did. Next, you'll want to get your carrots and peel it. After peeling the carrot, you'll want to grate it. You can grate it however you see fit, just grate it small enough that it comes out in a shredded form. Next, you'll want to take your cabbage and cut into slices. Chop your cabbage up into neat little slices, thin enough that they can cook and be eaten easily without you choking on them. And then take those slices and put them into a bowl. You will need to wash out your cabbage. I usually take vinegar and pour it into the bowl of cabbage along with some water and let it soak there for a little bit before washing it out. You can also add salt to clean them up too. After all your ingredients are ready, you can then get a pot. Put a little bit of oil in the pot and then throw in your onions. Let the onions sizzle and brown just a little bit before you throw in your carrots and your cabbage. Let this cook for a little bit. Depending on how you want your steamed cabbage, you can have it hard or soft. If you want hard cabbage, you can just continue cooking it as normal until it's as cooked as you need it to be. If you want it to be soft, you should throw in some water. You don't need a lot of water, you just need enough water to cook the cabbage and make it soft. So throw in your water and just have the cabbage cook in it for a little bit. After the cabbage is done, put it aside and take out a pot where you can cook your pasta in. Use a pasta of your choice. I use corn pasta, and just cook it as the instructions dictate. After your pasta is done cooking, you can take it out, you can strain out the water and put the pasta aside to cool. Now you can take the cabbage you made, add it to the pasta, and you have a wonderful pasta and steamed cabbage dish. This dish is good for if you want something that is pasta base and something that goes well with pasta that isn't a sauce. This dish makes a very good meal. I enjoy it. If you add pepper or salt as you desire to it, it comes out really good and it tastes really good and it adds a little bit of flavor. And of course, you can experiment with adding different spices or other herbs to the cabbage. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and comment below. If you would like to see more content like this, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you at the end of the week with more content.